How to use a coins on AliExpress. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use your own coins on AliExpress. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. The very first step is to navigate towards the Google Play Store. On the top search bar, you can simply search for Alibaba Express and then you can search the preferred application on your device. After signing up and filling up all the information, you can open your account. Make sure you have signed into your account. If you have signed into your account, then there are just some steps that you should follow. So there's two steps how you can get the coin and use the coin on AliExpress. The very first step is to exchange the coins for coupons. So exchanging the coins for coupon is pretty easy. What you need to do is you can convert your coupons that you can use to the cash alternatives when buying from the stores inside the platform. So there are AliExpress coupons and store coupons here. Using this, you can simply convert it into the coins as well. The next thing is you can buy the coins when the product prices are lower. The primary way to use AliExpress coins is to directly use them to enjoy the lower product prices as well. So you can simply do that by going on the coins button section from the home page on the top left side. Now check the products eligible for the coins induced discounts below daily login streak. Now purchase any of the items shown to have the option to deduct the value of your own coins from the original price. That's how you can use it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.